In this video, I am going to show you how to get started on your ThingLink project. And so I'm just on ThingLink already. And if you click up here on the Me, it just takes you to your dashboard. And I already have several things on here, but you won't, more than likely, if you haven't had a ThingLink account before. So you're just going to go up here to create, and there are several ways that you can get a foundational image for your project. You can do it through URL, get it from a Facebook picture, import something, or already have it on your computer. I'm actually going to show you how to get it from the web with just the link. So I'm going to click on that, and it says you can get whatever you want. So I am going to actually go to Google Images. And I'm going to do a search on the rainforest. And I'm going to do what I showed you before and go to Search Tools, Usage Rights, and Labeled for Reuse. So I'll make sure and get one that is good. I like this one. It's from Flickr. Okay. So whenever I right click on it, it says copy image URL, and that's what I want. So I'm going to go back over here to my ThingLink and just paste it in there. And there it goes. Now the next thing that I need to do is actually go back over to my document, which I actually haven't created yet for this specific thing, but you'll have already created your document. And I will just go down here to the resource, and I'm going to put it right here. There's my link. So that's my link to my foundational image. Okay, so going back over here to ThingLink, all I have to do to put the little touches on the foundational image is click on it. Click to add a tag. Okay, so there's my tag. Now I can change it. If I click on the icon, I can change it to lots of different things. But you're going to be looking for audio clips, you're going to be looking for video clips, and you're going to be looking for images and things like that. And so what you can do, you can just play around with this. I can put text right here saying, what kinds of trees are these? Look around and see. Something like that, and see it shows up right there. It's already on mine. And this, it says upgrade to enable all these different things. We're not going to do that, but we are going to save the tag, and there it is. Now I can click and drag it anywhere I want to. The other thing you need to do is to do another one. Okay, we're just going to click off of that one and then click on another one. And so on this one, I want it to be different. Let's do a red one. And I'm actually going to go find a YouTube video. And if you just do youtube.com and then before you click enter, you do tab, I can search directly from Google Chrome to YouTube. So I'm going to do sounds of rainforest animals. And I don't want a real long video. See how these are 2 hours? 2 hours, that's a little ridiculous. So I just want one that is really short. Actually, I might want this one for my video component. So you can use YouTube as a video or audio or both. I'm going to skip that. Okay, so that one looks interesting. So I'm going to go up here to the URL, and I am going to put it right there. Okay, so there it goes. It shows up right there. So it's already done. I'm going to save that tag. I'm going to go back to my project, put the link right there for my video, and there it is. So you can see going back and forth, I can do lots of different things. Make sure to save your resources. The other thing, I'm not going to do it anymore, but you have to save your image, and Looks like I saved it as that. Okay, and it's processing. I can probably go back and change my title if I want to. The other thing is you need to make sure and share it. So click on the share button, and here is the link. Okay, I think by default these are with the free ThingLink package, they're open to the public, like people can see them. And so this, though, is what you will need. This big one, Control C, is what you'll need right here on your document is the link to the ThingLink, and that's how I can go and get to it from this that you're creating. The other thing is that is how you will share it on our Google Plus community. And one more thing I want you to look at is this is the embed code. And what I want you to do is actually click on this iframe embed and then click on the embed code and copy code to clipboard, because you are going to actually embed this in your technology in my classroom page. I have a lot of things open right now, but let me go over here and show you how to do that. We're going to do this one just like we did some of the other things that we've embedded before. We're going to actually go into the HTML, but I want you to look at where you're going to put it first. So I have several headings here. I have technology, key trends and challenges, dream classroom, social studies apps, social studies focused content, and then I'm going to put the multimedia ThingLink right below that. So I'm going to put in another heading. And you guys will probably already have your heading there because I'm going to tell you to do that the first day we have class. Heading 2. And then you're going to, this is, describe your project. This is scan, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So now we're going to go into the HTML because we have on our clipboard the code, and I'm going to go all the way to the bottom because I know I need to put it right above the resources. So pay attention to where you're putting it. So just Control V, then update, and then hopefully that will show up as soon as it stops. And it looks huge because I didn't scale the photo. But I can show you how to do that another time. But that's how you would embed it. So that is it.